Hey guys, it's Alex here from Homey. Now, this is going to be a really quick video, but I want to tell you a quick story. The other day, I woke up, I went downstairs, and one of my smart lights was on. And I thought, what flow is causing this light to be on and turned on in the night? Because I did turn them off when I went to bed using my bedtime flow, and suddenly it was turned on in the morning. And I think this is a common problem sometimes in a smart home. Sometimes devices will be reacting to flows you've created, and it's hard to then track, hey, what flow is causing what to happen, and why the hell is that light on in the morning? So some time ago, we actually added a feature in the app to see your timeline activity for certain devices. So for example, if I head here to my bulb, I can swipe all the way to the right, or select that icon in the bottom there, and you'll see the timeline of what's going on with this device. You'll see when it turns off and on. And you'll also now see what flow is causing devices to turn off and on, and at what time. And if I scroll down through the activity here, you'll see that I've been playing with this light over the last 40 or so minutes, an hour, 3 hours ago, turned on by me. And you'll see the flows that are causing the lights to turn off and on. Now I've got them set up with these buttons here, which means that obviously the button triggers a flow, which then turns off my lights. So if I press the button and I head back up to the top, I can also refresh the timeline, and you'll see that the lights were turned off a few seconds ago by my flow called lights off tuba. Now it's not the prettiest flow name, but that's the flow I made for this button switch. And if I turn them back on and I refresh this list again, you'll see they were turned on a few seconds ago by the lights on flow. Now, it's super handy to use this to sort of track down those flows that might not be behaving that well, or to track down what flow is triggering what device at what time of day, and then being able to fix that for your smart home. So this is just a quick public service announcement to make sure that you know that this is here to help you guys figure out what flows are doing what in your smart home. And we hope that by adding this, you can create better flows. Now I should mention, you can also see who's turned off the lights or turned on the lights. So you can also start pointing the finger at people that maybe are fiddling around in the Homey app and accidentally turning on lights at night. And it also tells you whether the light has been turned on via your mobile app or, for instance, via the web app. So if I head to a different device here, let's say my main lights, head to the activity log, then you'll see that they were turned on by myself, Alex, via my web. So that's the Homey web app. And if you're not familiar with the web app, well, I have a whole video on that, so make sure to check that out. I'll set a link up here somewhere or down below in the description. And I'll see you guys in the next video.